So
So I'm flying along low here over the orchards on a Sunday morning when the Balloon and Wine Festival is happening nearby at Lake Skinner in Temecula. About 10 minutes into my flight here, everything is looking good. Clearing some wires that are in front of me here by gaining some altitude. I'm showing a couple of still images about the temperature on my motor. 62 degrees after just starting the climb.
well, which way is my wind coming from? Wind's coming from that way. Okay.
Pressed the throttle a couple times. Realized it wasn't coming back and decided to prepare for landing. So, what do? I do trims in to do a slow approach. I don't know how much landing area I'm going to have. Don't want to foot drag it in, so I pull my trims in, slow everything down, get out of my seat. Going to be doing about a 360 here. Right under me is an open and flat landing area. Judging my altitude, judging my final turn here. Lining it up, everything looks good. Flare a little bit and run it out. So let me know in the comments what you think might have happened here. This is a Thor 202 with about 20 hours on it. I'm running a 40-to-1 mix, 2.5%. I have a 130 jet on it. Not able to restart the motor here. Tried pulling the pull cord and the motor would not turn over. Not sure what happened here. It looks like it's seized up. I'll have to pull it apart. I'll give you an update later. Bye.